Hello, welcome to our English grammar series. In this video, we dive into the past simple tense of the verb to be, which is used to describe actions or states that were true at a specific time in the past. Positive form. In the past simple tense, the verb to be has two forms, was and were. Was is used with the singular pronouns I, he, she, and it. Were is used with the plural pronouns we, you, and they. Examples: I was at the park yesterday. She was happy with her results. We were in the classroom. They were excited about the trip. Negative form. The negative form is made by adding not after was or were. Examples: I was not at the party last night. He was not feeling well yesterday. We were not late for the meeting. They were not interested in the game. The negative short form, contraction, is often used in spoken English and informal writing. Examples: I wasn't at the party last night. He wasn't feeling well yesterday. We weren't late for the meeting. They weren't interested in the game. Question form. To form a question in the past simple tense, you invert the subject and the verb, was or were. Examples: Was I on time for the meeting? Was he at the concert last night? Were we supposed to bring our books? Were they happy with the service? Common mistakes. Here are a few common mistakes learners often make when using the past simple tense of the verb to be. Using the wrong form of the verb. Incorrect. She were at the store. Correct. She was at the store. Forgetting to invert the subject and the verb in questions. Incorrect. You were happy with the result? Correct. Were you happy with the result? Now, let's practice what we've learned. Exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of was, were, was not, wasn't, or were not, weren't. 1. She at the library yesterday. They, too, they, negative, ready for the exam. 3. You at the meeting this morning. 4. I, negative, aware of the changes. 5. We excited about the project. 6. He on the bus with you. 7. The weather beautiful last weekend. 8. The students in the classroom. 9. You, negative, pay attention in class. 10. It's a wonderful day. Now you can pause the video and then check the answers. Let's check the answers. Answers: 1. She was at the library yesterday. 2. They weren't ready for the exam. 3. Were you at the meeting this morning? 4. I wasn't aware of the changes. 5. We were excited about the project. 6. Was he on the bus with you? 7. The weather was beautiful last weekend. 8. Were the students in the classroom? 9. You weren't paying attention in the class. In class. 10. It was a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more English grammar lessons.